Programming for Fun. Welcome you all to Zenith. Getting started with CTF sponsored by Learn Hacking with Sibidharan. AGS will now introduce and explain about Capture the Flag and various challenges in it.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome to this event getting started with Capture the Flag. So again a PPT presentation? No, this is not going to be an event with a PPT presentation. We'll be doing something interesting in this event. So first the intro part will be of CTF. CTF will be in the PPT and the upcoming parts will be doing something interesting. So stay tuned and subscribe now. Okay, so getting into it. So what is Capture the Flag? Fine. So how many of you played Capture the Flag? Just add +1 in your chat box if you have played. And if you're not played, no problem. Today we'll start playing it. Okay. So what is CTF? If you have never played CTF and don't get frustrated or get out of this video, the main thing which you need for hacking is patience. Fine. So where to practice this? So yeah, that's what we are going to discuss in this video. So watch the video till end so that you will know how to get started with CTF, right? So this is the last part of this session which I'm going to take. So here I will say what is type of challenges we are going to see in the upcoming timeline, right? So CTF usually showcases different kind of challenge that utilizes the exercise specific area of focus. So here I have listed only few challenges which includes programming, crypto, exploitation, reverse engineering and more. Getting closer to an event. So now just think of something doing interesting like some live hacking kind of thing. Yeah, we are going to do that now.
That's cool. Now I can infer CTF as playing cyber games. Oh, now I remember something called Hack the Box, which my friend Tejas used to play. Is that similar to CTF? I guess he is the right person to answer this question.
Hey guys, I'm going to introduce you to Hack the Box. Hack the Box is an online platform where you can learn penetration testing and practice penetration testing. If you don't know what penetration testing, just relax. You can do it, and you can also practice CTF challenges. First, to get inside the Hack the Box platform, you need to pawn the invite code. As you see the screen, there is invite challenge. When you feel that you are stuck, you can click here and find the hint. If you still feel that you are unable to find the flag, you can just hop into Discord server of Hack the Box. There people will help you to find the flag. Next, when you get inside Hack the Box, this is how it looks. You can see that something like starting point, access, tracks, battlegrounds, machines, challenges, endgame, and fortress and pro labs. What are these? These are the things which are going to use. Starting point is the place where you are going to practice your penetration skills if you are very new to this platform. And in starting point, there are a few machines for free users, like Architect, Oopsie, Vaccine, Shield, Pathfinder are free. You can do them. If you still find you are not able to root the machine, you can find the walkthrough. Next, what is Access? Access is the place where you are going to download the VPN connection with which you are going to access the machines. And in machines there are two categories: the retired and active ones. Active ones are the ones from which you can gain points and also gain up in the rank. In machines you can there are servers which you can pawn and show your penetration testing skills. What are Pro Lab, Fortress and Endgame? These simulate real-world infrastructure, and Pro Labs needs to be purchased. The Fortress and Endgames have free ones, but as you see that POO and Zen are marked with VIP, those two need to be purchased. And under challenges, there are many categories from reversing to hardware. You can practice them. I am not going to show how to do that from the hack the box thing, because it's not legal to show the write-up. And under tracks, if you want to follow some specific path, there is a beginner's track, intro to Dante, intro to offshore, Active Directory, and if you complete the SYNAC Red Team track, you can apply for a job in SYNAC Red Team. If you want to, if you are looking for jobs, there's something called careers, and in this you can search for jobs. You can apply you can send your resume, and if your resume is selected, you will be contacted back. And finally, there's something which is amazing that is called Pawnbox. This is a virtual instance of Parrot OS through which you can do hack the box machines. As you see, I have only 2 hours allotted and 1.28 hours used and 0.72 hours remaining. Why is it so? Because I am a non-free user. I am a free user. And for 24 hours is given for the VIP users, which means every month 24 hours is given, and for VIP Plus users it's unlimited. This is a brief intro of Hack the Box.
I guess now you all had a virtual tour of Hack the Box. So how about solving some CTF challenges in live? Sounds so cool, right? Then let's do it.
So guys, again I'm back with my CTF challenges. Yeah. Continuing with my CTF challenge, I will start with a Wireshark file. Oh yeah. Okay. So continuing this challenge, what you are going to do? Fine. We are going to analyze a given packet capture file. So yeah, the shark on the wire and not easy are the 2 packet capture file which they have given in my challenge. So fine, what is a packet capture file? Say we both are talking in a network, and the packet sent in the network is called, if I sniff the packet in the network, that is called packet capture. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this packet capture file with Wireshark. So what is Wireshark? Wireshark is a tool where you can, sniff and record all the packet communications in our network. Fine. So I'm opening this file with Wireshark. So you can see plenty of packets in this communication. Right? So let's go into depot. What is the packets? So that's a DNS packet. Okay. So what is a DNS? Domain name system or server, right? Yeah. So what is the use of DNS? What you will do? You will enter google.com in your browser. So what your browser will do? Browser will send a DNS request to the server and get Google's IP back, and your socket server communication takes place, right? So is this DNS interesting over here? I guess no, because TCP is there where the communication takes place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a filter, TCP. Fine. Oh yeah, there are a lot of many packets with TCP filters also. So the only way is to analyze the packets packet by packet. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to select the first packet, and here you can see the hex dump of the packet and the ASCII transition of the same. Okay. So this is what a hex dump, and this is the equivalent ASCII to that hex dump. So getting closer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the next packet. Am I getting something? Oh yeah, there's something I got. Interesting stuff is there, man. So hello all. To make this some more interesting, oh yeah, I can't read this at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this as printable text, right? And I will paste it in Notepad. Okay, so this is the text given over there. To make something interesting, we play this game. Yeah, so here is a flag. So this is the flag which you need to submit in the CTF platform to solve this challenge. This is a quite easy one, right? So this is actually a basic challenge with some 50 or 100 points, I guess. So let's go into some the interesting problems. So see the challenge name here they've given. It's not that TC. So is that really not that TC? Let me see. Fine, same packet capture fail here. I have opened with Wireshark. So what I'm going to do, same DNS communications are there, some ICMP errors are there. Okay, and again TCP is the part which we are interested. Okay. Okay. So this is the part which we are interested, right? So TCP, again, I have applied a TCP filter. So I'm going to analyze the packet by packet one. Yeah. So what is it here? How do we do? WhatsApp? Yes, this communication I can read, right? So going down, what is there? What is there? If I get anything interesting, please do stop me if I miss something. Yeah, I lost a password kind of thing. Have you ever wondered, will you share some your password with your friends in Telegram or some other medium? I don't. If you do, please stop it too. See what? Or see the communication. It's more interesting actually. Coming down. Yeah. Why don't you understand it? So what she's saying, why don't you understand it? What does it mean? She's asking for a password to send it in some text. Okay. Fine. So I'm going down, down, down. No, what's the issue? Why are you getting annoyed? Okay, this is the communication taken over the TCP thing, the network. Okay, I'm coming down, coming down, coming down. Yeah, don't you know about the data breach? Yeah, so what does the data breach means? Data breach is
Sorry,
basically.
AGS.
Yeah.
Can you zoom in the screen?
Sure, sure. Yeah, is that fine now?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, okay, cool, cool. Sorry. Okay, so don't you know what is data breach? They're asking. Okay, what's the data breach? All your username and password will be in, what is that called? Dark web. Yeah. So I guess most of the hackers over here in my chat box know what's dark web and how dark web works. If not, we'll conduct a separate workshop on that too. Fine. Getting closer. So you have data breach and cyber security related issues if you transfer your passwords in some network kind of thing. Okay, coming down, coming down. Can I get something? Fine, I understand this. This will be the last time. She's asking, okay, please give me, man. This is the last time I'm asking for it. Fine. Well, let's see how the conversation goes. Then okay, the password is, here's a flag actually. You know, as the name suggests, it's a fake flag, and this is not the flag which we are looking for, you know. So this is a fake flag, and but even though we tried this submitting once, but it said just shut up and go on the challenge. Okay, fine. So coming down. Am I getting something? Yeah, did you notice something? PNG called PNG is there here. Hey man, okay. So now I get it. I guess they had some conversation where they shared some files. So you'll ask me, after seeing PNG, how you are saying that's a file shared over the network? I will show you something now. This HXD, where you can see the hexadecimal representation of any files which you take. Okay. Yeah. So I want downloads, and this is some dummy image, I guess. Yeah, and you can see the JFIF, right? That's a JPEG file which I have here. Fine. So you can see the file signature starts with some Y random character JFIF. So this JFIF is known as file signature. Okay, there will be unique file signature for all types of file. It can be PNG, JPEG, JPG, anything. Okay, there will be unique file signatures which you can see in HexEdit. Okay, I guess I cannot zoom the screen. Okay, is this visible? Yeah, this should be. So yeah, so this is a JPEG representation of the same signature kind of thing. So if I take a PNG file, a PNG file will be having this thing called PNG. Okay, so you know now there's a PNG file inside this communication. Okay, so now what's next? What will I do with this communication? Can I get something interesting? Give me a minute. Yeah, I'm back. So screen is visible, right? Yeah. So what will I do with this PNG thing? So I'm going to Google PNG file signature. Okay. So I'm getting it here. The first, second link, I guess. Not sure. Yeah, first is Wikipedia. You can also go for Wikipedia, or else this should be fine. Or yeah, I get this. Yeah. Yeah. Fine. So you can see the extension is PNG. We had PNG image over there, and the signature is 8954E470D0D0A1A, right? So what are all these things? It's just amazing, right? It's a hexadecimal representation of a file. That is PNG. Okay, coming back to our thing. Where is this called? Yeah. So you can see the same hexadecimal bytes are there, right? 8954E47 0D 0A 1A and other stuffs, right? And you can see the what is this called? Yeah, PNG file signature ends with this IN. Okay, this is the ending bit of this. So you can solve this challenge in two ways. Either you can copy this hex code and paste it in hex dump and save it as a PNG file, which is too much of work while doing a CTF because it's a time constrained game where you need to solve the challenge first, right? So what we did was we went to CyberChef. Okay. So please Google around what is CyberChef. It is a very essential tool for playing CTFs, hacking, anything. Okay. So here is this thing. Okay, so what we did was we just took this files. Give me a minute. Fine, not that easy, right? And given it as input. So you can see the input is here with the ASCII representation of the same file, which you saw as hex dump. So if I give 2 hex, you see what is happening. You can see the hexadecimal part is coming over here. Okay, right? So if I want to find that 89 over here, all the image file will also be embedded over here because it's a hexadecimal representation of the same file, and you should have all the information which it had in Wireshark, right? So that's a tool called forensics. Where is forensics? Yeah, there's a tool called extract files. Okay, so if I give that, see, it just extracted the file. So how this tool is working, I'll just give a gist of it. So this tool basically sees the file signature and header signature as we discussed in the few minutes before, and it will extract the consecutive file signature. Okay. So what I do, hey man, there's a QR here. Please take out your phones and scan this QR. You will get the, what is that called? Flag. Yeah. So I'm scanning this. And if you also scan, please do a +1 in our chat box so that we know you are interacting with us. So the flag is Shakti CTF SHE_W4AS_ horn by electrician front, whatever. Yeah. Okay. So this is the flag. So this is how we solved this challenge. Okay. These are 2 crazy forensics challenge which we had in last or 2 weeks before. I guess one of my friend was doing the CTF, and yeah, she solved this challenge and she asked me to do the same. Yeah. So coming back, let's see another challenge. Okay. Another challenge is going to be of some coding part of Python coding. So how many of you know Python? Can I get a +1 in chat box? Come on, guys. Yeah. And yeah, this is going to be fun part, you know, because I don't know what language I've written the coding. I mean, not programming language. I mean the writing or whatever, reading language. Okay, this is Danish, I guess. There's some foreign CTF which we took part in. And this was a simple fun making challenge, you know. So they gave a list called Ting. Yeah, Ting. See, the flag format for this CTF is NC3 and the flag format. Okay, so NC3 followed by the flag. So how I approach this? So this is a Python code which is executable. So it's because no errors are there, right? So what I will do, I will execute this Python code. Python, what is this file name? Yeah. You can see that I'm sorry for this, dudes. I guess you can see this font. Okay, you can see something is being printed, but this is not the flag. Okay, so let's read the code and analyze what is being done in this code. Okay, so I will rename all these things. Okay, because I will get confused while coding. UP plus smart. So the list is going to be A, the number is going to be B, and this is going to be C. Okay. So what is going to, I'll keep this as D in, oh my god, I forgot what is this. Okay, this should be A, I guess. Hey man, I forgot, sorry. I'll do the same thing, okay? I'm also smart now, fine. So thing is this list, this whatever this variable name, you can pronounce it however you want. If any people know Danish, please let me know how this is pronounced. And this is the list, and this is going to be a string where we are going to append the list and print. Yeah, so let me give a walkthrough of this program. So ignore all the pre-declared thing, we'll get into the program, okay? So for tal and op script, okay? So what is tal? Tal will be each index of this op script, right? So this is 1, 3, 7, 2, 6, whatever. So what I'm doing, t equal to ting of tal. Okay, so in the first iteration, what will happen? Tal in op script. So 1 will be there. So t equal to ting of 1. What is ting of 1? Some random characters. Danish people, please help me in chat box. Okay, so this is going to be the thing, right? So now what I'm going to do, I will go to the next iteration. Then 3 will come. So I'll go here, right? No, how the indexing works, man? It's 0, 1, 2, 3. Right, so for the first thing, for 1 I will get this thing, for 3 I'll get this thing, and so on, right? So you can notice that the flag here I want is NC3 is the first 3 characters of the string. You can see this 1 should be replaced with 0. So I had a guess that I guess they just added 1 to all the numbers or all the index which they want in flag. So what I did was I just had -1 to each of them. So 3, 6, 1, 5, 9, 5, 7, 1, 5, 3, 5, 10, 5, 8, 11, and 4. Right. So now I guess this will be 0th index and followed by this thing, right? 0, 1, 2. So this bracket will be coming. And the last index, what is 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so this is the answer, I guess. So let's run this same. Okay. Python, sorry. Hey man, for the flag, right? So playing CTF is all about how you think to solve the challenge or how you're going to approach the challenge. So if you ask me, is this first CTF which you have played and you are able to do these challenges? I will say no. First CTF, I really don't know. For the first CTF, what I did was I just had a walkthrough how CTF works, right? That is what I'm giving in this video to you people, how CTF works. So what if we solve more challenges this night? So now here comes Tejas with some more challenges.
Oh, that was really nice, Tejas. And I think you are still alive and interested to see how I'm going to do few more challenges. Here are the few challenges which I have. Let's start with the challenge 2. Let me open it with the Visual Studio Code. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, these are the few challenges which I have. And let's start with the challenge 2. And sorry for this. I should have done this before. I'm sorry, really sorry. Okay. So challenge 2. Let's see what is this. There are some 3 variables. I think this should be our flag, but what's this gibberish? Okay. What's happening here? Okay, there's something. being imported from the user, and which is being processed here. So what are these functions? Fun, okay, this one, and
Tejas,
another fun.
Tejas, can you please zoom in your
I
screen?
don't think
Virtual
so.
Studio.
It's not possible. Visual Studio Code.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Is this better?
Actually,
Yeah.
it's not clear for me.
Um, it's some problem with the network. I'm sorry. Uh, okay, and I think this function is not being used.
Yeah, now it's clear.
And this function is not being used, so I'll just remove it off for now. And let's just focus on this two. What is this fun? I think it's taking the input from the user and converting it into a XOR. Why I'm saying this as XOR? Because this function does a XOR operation. What are this CHR and OR? OR is a function, is a predefined function from Python which converts a character into ASCII value, and this ASCII value is converted back to this ASCII value is converted back using a CHR. And okay, so let me rename this as XOR. And what is this? It's taking input as each character, and it's doing a check. I think it's just shifting the characters. Okay, so let me rename this as shift. So this shift of +4 is going to be corrected minus, and plus are going to be shifted back, and XR is a reversible function. So I think you can use the same function to reverse what you are going to do. So let's try running this. Oh, sorry, I forgot printing this. I think there's something wrong. Okay, I got it. First, it was done as first XOR operation was used, and shift operation was used. Now we are going to do the same in reverse. Yes, we got the flag. Good. Continue exploring more. So let's see what's next. Okay, let's see this binary file in our Linux. Sorry, my PC is a bit slow today. let's see what this file dams. Dams is a ELF 64-bit Linux binary file. So let me try running this dams. Error, file input.txt not found. Okay, let's see what they're using strings. Dams. There is a flag here. Check the CTF. Yeah. So we have solved this too. What's the next one? Okay. So let's do this forensic zip zap soup dot zip.
Tejas, just make that as a full screen.
Okay. So this upon inflating zip zap soup file, I mean deep inflating, I have got the file dot zip. So let's try unzipping the same file dot zip. Oops, I have got a bad zip file offset. Okay. Let's see what's there using xxd file dot zip. Oops, I think the file has been corrupted. So let's fix this out. I will use bless, which is similar to xedit, which is used in Linux. Okay, so let's just Google what's the right x values. I'm sorry, really sorry. Why is it taking so long? So let me search what's the hex values. Zip header file x. Yeah. Yeah, here it is 54B0304. So let's just compare it quickly. Where is it? Yeah. So we have 54B and 0304. We have instead of that 08 and 09. Let's just correct it quickly. 0304 and we'll save it. So it's asking for the password. So let's find out. Okay, here is that. So we have found the flag. I think we still have to do it. This seems to be a base encoder. Let's use CyberChef to decode it quickly. Quickly pasting it. I search base. It's from base. Let me try base 32. Yeah. Upon first I found that it's found the flag. I think this was a little bit a trickier one. Let's move on to the next challenge. What do we have? There's something called a hidden.jpt. Let's see what's it. Okay. This is just a Pikachu picture. I don't see anything interesting here. Let's do some string hidden. Is there something interesting? No. So I'll see the metadata of it. Okay. This seems something a bit fishy. Let's try base from base 32. Is that base 32? No. Base 58? No. 62? No. 64? Okay. Passphrase. I think we have to use tag hide. Tag hide. Hidden. Tag hide minus x. Yes. Okay. I think it's let's quickly search it. Okay, tag hide extract minus reserve. That's what I have to do. Reserve, hidden, and the pair of cat flag.txt. Yes, we have found the flag. Next, I think I'm left with the reverse new.py. Okay, let's see what this hello.txt. I think this is some kind of ciphertext. Let's just do a quick search. those spaces and dots makes me feel that it's a Morse code. So let's check if I'm able to crack with it. Translate more. Let me just remove this thing and this. Okay. I think I have not taken the right one. Yeah, I found this. Handling Joel 2020. So this was a Danish CTF, so it took a time to realize this was a flaw. Sorry. Okay, that's it. I have this many challenges to show you. Thank you guys. Thank you for being patient.
Okay, guys, now it's time for questions. You can ask whatever questions you have.
Hey guys, I'm back for you. Please shoot up your questions in chat box so that I can answer your questions. And I would need to talk something about this event in the last after Q&A session. Okay, which debugging software is good for Windows? How to register for Hack the Box? Yeah, I guess the first question you can go and Google, and I will go with the next question: how to register for Hack the Box, right? So open your browser, go to Google, type Hack the Box, and go to the registration button over there, and you can register it. You need to solve a small challenge for that, for getting the invite code over there. I guess you'll be able to solve it, man. You're a hacker. Come on. Yeah. Where do you get the basic challenges to practice? Yeah. That's where Hack the Box plays a major role, right? Where do you practice the CTFs if CTFs are not conducted? And yeah, I forgot to say one important thing. There's something called CTF time. I'm posting it in chat box. Just Google it. That's a website which posts all the CTFs in a row in upcoming and all the completed CTFs with write-ups. Do have a look at it. And we used to take part in CTFs, which will be there in CTF times. Yeah. Can I get the recorded live? Okay, can I get the recorded live? Yeah, it will be posted on my channel, so we'll be having it. How efficient is CTF in place of cybersecurity? Yeah, CTF plays an important role in cybersecurity. Listen, why? See, you learn cybersecurity, you learn some OS, some top 10 challenges. Okay, where do you practice this, man? Where do you practice your skills? How to improve your skills in cybersecurity? CTF is the right place where you can implement and you can practice it legally. Yeah, after HXD application, you say some application. No, what was that? Yeah, I guess CyberChef is the one which I told you after HXD, right? Just Google about CyberChef. What does CyberChef does? Okay, it will make more sense then rather than saying me how CyberChefs work. Yeah. So next questions, please. Yeah, what are the use of Hack the Box? Please explain. I guess Tejas will have a good explanation for this question. Please, Tejas, could you explain that?
Yeah,
Before that,
as I told before. Okay.
yeah. sorry, before that, let me say you something. Tejas is pro hacker in Hack the Box, so that's why I asked him to explain what is Hack the Box or what is the use of Hack the Box. Yeah, please, Tejas.
Yeah, before going into Hack the Box, pro hacker, these are all the ranks which is given based upon the solves. And your question is, what's the use of Hack the Box? So, Hack the Box is a place where you can practice penetration testing, and you can also learn from Hack the Box. It's an amazing community where you can talk to other cybersecurity friends in Discord. The channel, the server link is in the description, and you can also do some CTF challenges in Hack the Box.
Yeah. Will you conduct CTFs? Yeah, we will. That's what I asked, right, in the Hack Box. Did you see that? Yeah, we'll be doing it in some Jan or Feb, positively. Yeah, we are planning for some big event more than CTFs. What if we have some big cyber games where you need to hack something and get it out? That's what CTF does, right? We'll make a CTF. Sure, please. Next thing, man. Next question, please. So yeah, before all that, please leave all your valuable comments and feedback. And I know what you all are waiting for. I guess you're waiting for Sibidharan sir. Actually, we are sorry about that. He is stuck up with some important work, and we have another live session with him soon. Okay, sorry for that, guys. Yeah. Then next thing is, yeah. Before that, I need to say some interesting stuff. See what I faced today morning was something chill. My Windows crashed, man, after an update. See, I got some other question. What is the need to learn? What is needed to learn in the beginning to learn hacking? So we all have this question, there's a course called Learn Hacking with Sibidharan, Learn the Art of Hacking with Sibidharan. You can go for that course, I guess. That's a perfect course where you can learn everything from basics and how things work. So for Learn Hacking, you need to know how something works, right? If you need to hack something, you need to know how that is built or how to build that. Then only you can crack it, right? Yeah. So yeah, what I was saying, yeah, my Windows, right? My Windows update, man, this Windows just laid me down today morning, After this update, what happened? I couldn't, which OS do you prefer? Yes, I got that classic question, which OS do I prefer? Yeah, if I say I prefer Mac OS, I don't have a Mac, so I won't say that. So, fine. Work environment, Windows should be fine. And for practicing some kind of stuff, you need Linux, where it will make easy, actually. It will make things easy if you use Linux. Linux is a good OS, if you ask me. Yeah, coming back, man, I'm missing my point. Yeah, today morning what happened was I just updated my Windows 10 and it got crashed. Okay, I was not able to open any of my C drive applications. So what will I do? Today I had a live stream. So the only possible way was take my pen drive, reinstall my Windows, and all my pre-setup was going for this live stream, And I really thank my team who worked a lot to get this stream back, and this is only possible because of them. Yeah, it's Ubuntu Linux is good for hacking. Dude, everything is good for hacking if you know how to use it properly. Yeah, there's nothing known as good or bad for hacking. You can hack with Windows also, It's not something called, there's nothing called as hacking OS, or some OS is good for hacking, some is bad for hacking. With everything, you can hack anything if you know how things work. Yeah. 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 Why do you use Python in session? Why not C programming? What is the advantage of using Python? Dude, that challenge which was given for us was in Python. We didn't choose Python. Python chose us, actually. And C programming is one of the most important programming language if you come for hacking, C is everything, the Windows you use, everything is made of C. The base is C. And there are a lot of interesting things which you will learn if you are going to learn C, right? I'm not talking about the 11th and 12th standard C or C++ code which they teach in school. It's something different. There are a lot more than that. You just go to Google and explore. What are some exploits written in C? How C can be exploited? What is buffer overflow in C? And more. Yeah. And guys, I will share a Google form to your mail after the session. Please do give your feedback, valuable feedback in that form. Yeah. Can you give small intro about yourself, please? Sure. I'm a third year BTech computer science student. Yeah, that's pretty much more about me. Is Zenith your CTF team name? No, dude. Zenith is our event name. Our CTF team name is Parallel Flag. Yeah, I guess we have played around some 5 to 6 CTFs in the starting, and we won our fourth or fifth CTF, and we bagged the second and third or first and second place. I don't remember exactly. Yeah. And yeah, about me, right? That BTech computer science guy. Yeah, and I'm the batch one student of Learn the Art of Hacking with Sibidharan, which taught me a lot, like how hacking works and how things work. It's not about how hacking works, right? You need to learn how a thing is built before exploiting or breaking it, right? So that is what I learned with Sibidharan sir, and it's really an amazing course. I guess there's a batch 4 starting in January 2nd, right? Yeah, January 2nd. You can register for that. I'll also have a link for that in my Google form, I guess. Yeah, I'll make one for that also. Yeah. And then I'm. Mm, mm. Yeah. Hey man, hi. And please do check your spam folder if you didn't receive the mail, right? Because we are sending from some SMTP server so that you might or might not receive the mail in your inbox. What course can I take in college to pursue cyber security? Yeah, this is a good question. But to be frank, college is just a degree giving mission. Okay, whatever course you take, I know mechanical engineering and civil engineering people who are into cyber security. It's not about course you take in your college. It's about what you learn there, what you are going to learn there. It's all about your passion about cyber security. And if you ask me, it's computer science engineering and anything, right? Anything related to computers should be fine for cybersecurity because cybersecurity specifically, they don't teach you proper. No, it's not like teach you properly. That's not a proper syllabus kind of thing to learn cybersecurity because things keep on getting updated. So yeah. Can you please explain about Git server? Yeah, Git server, that's a live session with Sibidharan. So I guess it's on 20th, right? Yeah, I guess it's on 20th. Do register for that.
Yeah, it's on 20th.
Yeah, super good. Yeah. And so, are there some further questions, or I can end the stream and meet you in another stream? Can I have a +1, guys? Please, 48 people are watching. Why not a +1 from 48 of them? So that I will sleep. I will have good sleep tonight. And did you learn something new, or did you learn something after watching this live? Please do a comment in live chat so that I will know. Yes. Cool. Okay. I want to make my career in software development, right? Sunil Sahu, if I'm not wrong. I want to make my career in software development. How do I start? What programming languages do you know? I'll start from the basic. Like, see, for making a software, what do you yeah. So yeah. It's all man. It's all about learning yourself. Please. Yeah, have a practice of Googling. Everyone asks, right, how to become a good hacker or how to learn hacking. Please Google. Please Google everything. Please Google whatever you know. Okay. So got a little idea about CTF. Thank you, man. What are the features that in Hack the Box now? Fine. I guess you missed the first part of video. Tejas, could you please explain the same?
So what and all features are there in Hackerbox? As I said, there's machines which you can do, and Pro Labs, Fortress, which simulate the real company servers. So which will give you an experience how a penetration testing works. It's pretty much hard. I say it gives you a real life experience, and you can also do some challenges, solve them, and you can also and get ready for CTF.
Is there no audio? No. I guess that's what transition time. I guess fine. Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay.
Thaya,
So
you
now,
are making fun of
yeah.
us. It's like
Cool, man. Cool. Okay. So now no audio. Okay, +1. Fine. So what was that? What was the feature in Hack the Box? They just answer the question. Yeah, you know what stuff like I am a script kiddie in Hack the Box and I solved some 3 or 4 boxes. I'm actually a passive user of it. But really, man, if you solve some Hack the Box questions, I just break my heads how to do that. And please do without watching write-ups. That's a main fun thing, Like in Google, everything is available. Even answer of all the boxes available. So please don't watch that and solve the challenges. It won't be interesting, right? So just have approach how to approach. You can just Google how to approach those challenges, but not how to solve those challenges. That won't look good. Yeah, cool. Is there any more questions, or can we end this live?
can we end this live, AGS?
Yeah, I guess. Please, Thaya, have this end card of our life that people know we're going to end this live and they're watching it.
Okay, guys. Hope you all had a great evening with programming for fun. Give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section, and also we will share you the feedback form to your mail ID. Just give your feedbacks.
Yeah, guys, pretty much. We'll meet you another live. Thank you and have a good night, good day. Bye. Yeah, thank you, guys. Bye.
Bye.